wreck out. Wreck out, roll over. In the air, 1016.
At 1:40 p.m. on April 24, 2026, Arkansas State Police engaged in a high-speed chase on Highway 18 suspect, Chase Phillips, 20, drove 100 Mountoff and crashed into civilians, injuring 4 Phillips, reportedly drugged, now faces felony charges for his reckless actions that sparked a multi-car disaster.
Seven 764, young Sam Adam. We're still going. 764, young Sam Adam, 412 westbound, coming up to Latrell. Speed's 125, coming to Robinson. It's on a Chevy Cruze, I think, brown in color. Speed's 135, still westbound.
The pursuit began when Chase Phillips fled at 100 miles per hour in a yellow Chevy. He recklessly swerved into oncoming traffic on Highway 18, forcing drivers to dodge his path. The chaos peaked near Heath Lane, where Phillips slammed into a car at 80 miles per hour, triggering a violent chain reaction crash. Admitting to drug use, his high-speed evasion left 4 people injured and a trail of total destruction.
Wreck out, roll over. In the air, 1016. He's about to wreck out. Wreck out, roll over. In the air, 1016. Hey, can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me? Is it just you in there? Are you by yourself? Sounds like a female, but I can't see or hear anything. I can't get the flash. Let me go get my window punch and some gloves. You can just watch it. See if you can get any light. How many people are in the car with you? Is it just you, or is there other people in there? Who is in the car with you? Hey, cover your face. We're going to bust the window. Tried to extract. Slipped on his thigh. I think we have at least more than one occupant. We're trying to break him out. I can't. I'm going to try for this one with my window punch if you can just watch. Hey, grab your flashlight. Because we can't see and we can't tell who's all in there. I'll try. You try that side, I'll try this side. There's a flashlight. There. Yeah, there's a female like right there. I don't know about anywhere else. One occupant, female. I want to try to punch this window. I think there's too much pressure on it for it to shatter. Okay, we're trying to get you out. Huh? Are your legs pinned? Okay. Here's what I'm going to have you do. Look this way and cover your face, okay? I'm going to bust that window over there. She's strapped. She's strapped. It's like the headrest has her back pinned. This one's not going to break. Yeah, well, she's like right there. But, yeah, she's like right there. But yeah. Here, I've got a crowbar. There, yeah. Let's get your crowbar. Okay, well, we've got an ambulance coming. What? Here. You're good, you're good.
I can't.
Okay, if you can't, don't try to force it, okay?
The seat is fully pitted.
Okay, I got you. What's your name?
I'm panicked.
Panicked?
I didn't mean to run, I panicked.
Okay. Hey. I don't. What's your name? What's your first name? What's your name?
Krista.
Trista?
Yeah.
Okay.
Krista Bunch.
Bunch?
Bunch.
Okay. We feel alive! What's your birthday, Trista? What's your birthday? What's your birthday?
3/27/06.
Okay. They're just trying to get you out, okay? Keep talking. You're okay. You're talking to me. It's just you in the all right. Nobody else was with you?
No, what?
Just you?
It's just me.
Okay.
I was trying to get somewhere because I was super late and I panicked.
Okay. Where do you live, Trista? Where do you live?
Rogers.
Okay. All right.
I was running like 40 minutes late, and so I just was panicking.
Okay. And when you saw the blue lights, you just...
What?
When you saw my blue lights, you just panicked?
All the lights on
The crash occurred near Heath Lane when Phillips' truck hit a car's rear at 80 miles per hour. The impact hurled the car into oncoming traffic, causing a multi-vehicle wreck. 4 people were hospitalized, while Phillips was arrested, later blaming bad weed for his reckless, life-threatening actions.
The headrest of the seat is pinning her back. Yeah.
I can't reach anything. I could turn it off if I had my phone.
That's okay. Yeah, so she's basically between the back seat and the front seat. The front seat's got her pinned in the back. So even if we had that open, we can't get her out. Trista, is this your phone? Turn the music off at least? Okay. That'll work. Okay.
I feel really lightheaded.
Okay. We've got an ambulance coming.
Okay.
They're coming.
The seat is fully bending me. It hurts.
I know. Can you feel your legs at all?
I can feel my legs.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Wish we could get her out of there. But until we can get this lifted and the doors open. Who's that? Oh, Spam? Okay.
I've never been pulled over before, and so I just panicked.
Well, you're still talking to me, so that's a good day, okay? Huh? Huh. What's your address?
371 West Cherokee Road.
Okay.
Rogers 72758.
Okay. Where's my EMS at? I got it, man. You go.
I'll go down there. I'll go.
Yeah. Hey, Trista, so you can't crawl out at all?
No,
Okay.
it's hitting me by the ribs.
Okay.
I can feel it pressing down.
What?
I can feel it pressing down.
Okay, all right. Where were you trying to get to?
Just farther, like 10 minutes away or whatever, just silo, right over by the auction house.
Okay, was it for work or something?
It was for a personal matter. I was supposed to be somewhere earlier, and then I was watching a show and got caught up.
Okay.
And so I panicked.
Okay. I'm gonna watch her. Yeah. Here, this is your flashlight. Okay.